Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Flights, a powerful tool that can help you save big on your next trip. So let's get started. Google Flights is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to search for flights, compare prices, and find the best deals. With just a few clicks, you can find the perfect flight for your needs. One of the key features of Google Flights is its ability to track prices and notify you when they drop. This is a great way to snag a bargain and save money on your flight. Another handy feature is the ability to filter your search by non-stop flights, airline alliances, and even by the type of aircraft. This level of customization ensures that you find the flight that best suits your needs. Google Flights also offers a handy map view, which allows you to see the cheapest flights for your chosen dates. This is a great way to find the most affordable option and save even more money. Finally, Google Flights offers a handy calendar view, which allows you to see the cheapest days to fly. This is a great way to save money on your flight, especially if you're flexible with your travel dates. In conclusion, Google Flights is a powerful tool that can help you save money on your next trip. With its user-friendly interface, customizable features, and money-saving tools, it's a must-have for any traveler. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy travels!